How to add link to Instagram post. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device. Select the post link you want to add. Now you will see the share button below the post. Tap on that. There you will see the copy link option. Tap on that and with this the link will be copied. Go to your profile and now tap on edit profile option. There tap on links and then tap on add external links. You can paste the link you just copied here and tap on done and then on done again. You can see the link is pasted on your bio successfully. Now if you want to add link to a post, then tap on the plus symbol on the top right of your screen and then tap on story. Select the picture you want to add link in. You can also take a snap if you want. Now tap on the sticker icon and there you will see the option for link. Tap on that and now paste the link here and tap on done. Adjust the link placement if you want and then tap on your story. Once pasted, now if you go back and tap on the link here, you will be led to the link we copied. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.